Dining. Eating a meal in a formal way or at a table. We are dining at a restaurant tonight. She loves dining with her family. Creepy. Scary in a strange or uncomfortable way. That horror movie was very creepy. The old house looks creepy at night. Skinny. Very thin. She is skinny but strong. I was skinny when I was a child. Sore. Painful or hurting, usually on the body. My legs are sore after running. I have a sore throat. Rot. To go bad or decay. If you leave food out, it will rot. The fruits will rot if you don't eat them soon. Spend. To use money for something. I spend money on clothes. We spend our money carefully. Aid. To help or give support. She came to aid her friend. The nurse gave aid to the old man. Playful. Being cheerful and full of energy. My little brother is always playful. He is a playful and fun friend. Spotless. Very clean, with no dirt or marks. He wore a spotless white shirt. Her room is always spotless. Sheepish. Feeling shy or embarrassed. He said sorry in a sheepish voice. I felt sheepish about the mistake.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!